Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I will be showing you how to make a fortune teller. Let's get started. The items you'll need are paper, pencil, and scissors. Let's get cutting. So, to start out, to make your fortune teller, you need to fold this corner of your paper. And now grab your scissors, and we'll be cutting this extra piece off. And now unfold your paper. And then take this corner and fold it in half. Like this. And then unfold it. And then take these two corners and fold it. And now unfold it, and then take these two corners and fold it. So when you unfold it, you should have 8 pieces. If you don't have 8 pieces, you did something wrong. And here's something to tell you. You can always pause this video if you need help. As I was saying, after you have 8 pieces, you take all 4 corners and you fold them down. And now after you have all 4 corners folded, flip it upside down and do the same thing again. After you finish folding all 4 sides, now you fold it in half. And then you see these little pockets? That's where you stick your fingers. It should turn out something like this. I will be showing you how to use a fortune teller. So, after you have folded everything, and you see these little cubbies for your fingers, put your fingers in, and you can write numbers. You can even do colors too, like 5, 1, 9, 7, and the person picks one of those 4 numbers. And if you say, for example, 5, that's how many spaces you go. That's how many times you move. And you go open like this, and you go out like this, like 5 times. And then you write numbers all along these 8 spots, and then in each spot you write a fortune. And if you pick 6, you move that many spaces again. And then if somebody picks 2, you open 2, and that's how you use a fortune teller. Bye!